Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be showcasing transmission or gear shift, as it's called in anime. Oh my god, damn. Yeah, I'm congested right now, so my throat is not really you know, we're good to go, fully good to go. But I'm doing this transmission thing. So basically, it's all the gears give you faster speed, and it gives you teleport in ones like Fajin. Oh my god, what the hell? Okay. Okay, what the hell happened? The health. Okay. But anyway, so I need to find someone to test this on. So first we're gonna start with second gear. It turns you blue, has the lowest cooldown, and gives you a very small speed boost. And it gives you teleport in once. So that's what's up. What the hell is this? Oh, you found Bunny too? Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. So, yeah, so it gives you teleport in ones. I can't really show it. Or let me get in a party. Here we go. So look. Alright. Alright, ready? Alright, hold up. Alright, get your ass back here. So it gives you teleport in ones. As you can see, you show the teleport in ones. Oh, hell nah, bro. Alright, I'm not mad though. But anyway, that's first gear. Second gear, it gives you faster M1 speed overall, faster speed, and teleport faster, I guess. So it's basically like that. So as you can see. So, and it gives you a faster speed boost. Also, you can combine the gears to give you more speed. Third gear is basically the second fastest gear, and it's make you really fast, and it teleports and your punches are way much faster, like super fast, like super fast. What up? Very fast. Now the top gear is the last gear. It's the most broken gear. It's the fastest non-spec Quirk in the game. So I'll activate it. It turns you red. It only lasts for a bit, and it has a 5-minute cooldown. This is the fastest non-spec Quirk in the game, and the M1s are very fast. Very fast. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, that's gear shift. Have a good day.